So, good evening everyone. I am Jumart Gayas, a mechanical engineering student, fourth year. Then, I am going to answer our midterm examination in Rizal. Then, the question is, which of these evil deeds that committed by Spaniards in the Philippines do you think persist in our generation? So, for me, corruption, excuse me, corruption is the Spaniards evil deeds that committed by in the Philippines that persist in our generation. So um, corruption is very severe in our generation nowadays due to government uses the kabanang bayan or pondo for their own goods. So example of this is the PhilHealth that contribute lots of Filipinos for health purposes, but now they transfer it for what we call this one funds, and the pondo is now is zero. So that is very questionable for Filipinos that contribute on that funds, and that's all. So for the number 2 question, which of these malevolent acts are present in the Philippines? So the acts that are present in Philippines, the malevolent acts that present in Philippines is the equality before the law. So before the law, so example of this is the backer system. You cannot get a work, or shall we say you cannot apply a work if you are not a friend or a relative of the owner of the company or store, or what you want to apply, etc. Then that is so unfair for the fresh graduate. Then that's all.